So this is the first job thing that we have, which is in Pen Force. So they want a pen testing trainer with 2+ years of experience. So they should have OSCP, PNPT, CRTP, CEH, and all those things. Prior training or mentorship is experience is required, right? Contacts at penforce.net is the mail where you can drop your resume, right? Next one is urgent requirement in Gurgaon or Mumbai. Okay, company name is ESEC 40. So guys, ESEC 40 is hiring for a lot of positions. You can drop a resume to the mail, right? What are things you need to do? Information security consultant is a position for what they are looking for. 3+ years of experience is required. Okay, and you will be responsible for conducting all those things. Okay, and this is a mail ID priyanka.tiwari@esec40.com, right? On which you need to drop your resume. Was opted Bobsuit, JAP, OSCP, CH, and all those things is important, right? Now the next is tax security. So tax security is looking for network security engineer. Motive technology is for I don't know. Motive technology is looking for actually for that position, and they want a network engineer to join their team. They should have minimum 1 to 5 years of experience. Okay, network security engineer. Chennai is the location where you need to work, right? And immediate joining is only preferable, right? And this is the mail ID. Pudu Pattur Motive.com. Sorry if I'm spelling it wrong. So this is the mail, and this is what exactly you need to write down in the resume, right? So this is what you need to do, right? Now next one is SOCL1, which is pretty freshers, right? So they want 1 to 3 years of experience required. So guys, this is good for you. Even we are starting our own SOC internship. So if you do SOC internship at VIEH group, then you might get some job, right? So key skills is cybersecurity fundamentals, security monitoring, threat detection, EDR, NSE, and MDM solution is required. Madhuri.k@heritagecyberworld.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. 9327346637 is the contact number on which you can ask your questions if you have anything. Right. And yeah, now the next one is uh, someone wants cybersecurity engineer with 1.5 to 2 years of experience, networking, endpoint security, all those knowledge is important. Okay, responsibility is network security solutions, EDR implementations, and firewall configuration is the role which will be assigned to you. You need to do all those things, right? Location is Bangalore, and mail is hr@cyberleap.in, right? Now next one is again Penforce. They want SEO analyst trainer. आप स्पेलिंग भी सही करना पड़ेगा. Okay, 2+ years of experience required. Contact at penforce.net, right? uh, they want the blue teamer SOC experience, like security analyst person the same, but you should have knowledge about how to operate all those things. Wireless total Splunk scripting knowledge is important, right? Certificate like cybersecurity, security plus CYSA plus blue team level 1 or GCIA are preferred, right? Next one is tech defense is looking for uh, trainer, right? And like uh, they have not provided much information. Jan Jan Khana at dot Gandhi at uh, techdefense.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. So right, I guess they are looking for freshers. Okay, so drop your resume. Next one is Sin Radar. They want security analyst, VAPT person. Probably you all have good knowledge about VAPT. 2 to 3 years of experience is required. Pune is the location. Skills is OWASP top 10, Bobsuit, Nessus, manual testing, CHOCP is important. hr@sinradar.com is the mail, and this is contact number if you have any queries, so you can ask. Basically, why I'm adding the contact details, because probably you're not getting the response, right? So you can ask them, sir, I've dropped the resume, why I'm not getting the response. By the way, don't tell my name. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you very much for asking. If you have any questions, please ask.